Is this the end of coding as we know it? Right now, AI tools can generate entire apps, write backend APIs, debug errors, refactor legacy code, and even deploy to the cloud in minutes. Some CEOs are claiming that AI is already writing up to 90% of production code in certain projects. So let's ask the uncomfortable question: are software developers becoming obsolete? Or are we witnessing the biggest productivity revolution in programming history? In this video, we are breaking down how AI coding tools actually work, whether AI is truly replacing programmers, what this means for junior developers, the new skills that will dominate the tech job market, and whether coding is still worth learning in 2026. Let's get into it. Over the past few years, AI coding assistants have evolved dramatically. Tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor can now auto-complete entire functions, generate full-stack applications, write SQL queries, create React components, debug runtime errors, convert code between languages, generate documentation. And they're not just copying Stack Overflow answers. These models are trained on massive code bases and can understand patterns across millions of repositories. That means when you type, "Build me a REST API with authentication using Node.js," you don't get a suggestion. You get a working structure. That's a massive shift. Now let's talk about the 90% claim. In certain AI-first startups, developers report that AI tools generate the majority of the initial code. But here's the key detail. AI writes drafts. Humans still define the architecture, review logic, fix edge cases, secure the system, handle performance optimization, make product decisions. Think of AI as a hyperspeed junior developer that never sleeps. It can write code quickly, but it doesn't understand business context the way humans do. It doesn't fully grasp long-term system design. It predicts the next line of code. It doesn't understand why the system exists. So yes, AI may write a large percentage of raw lines, but that doesn't mean it replaces software engineers. It changes their role. This is where things get serious. Historically, junior developers learned by writing small features, fixing bugs, handling repetitive tasks. Now AI can do most of that instantly. So companies may hire fewer juniors. That's the real disruption. The entry-level coding job is evolving. But here's what many people miss. When calculators became common, math didn't disappear. It evolved. When cloud computing emerged, sysadmins didn't vanish. They adapted. The same will happen with software development. The new junior developer must understand AI-assisted workflows, review AI-generated code, detect hallucinations, validate security flaws, optimize AI output. The job isn't disappearing. It's becoming more strategic. The future isn't AI versus programmers. It's programmers who use AI versus programmers who don't. AI-augmented developers can ship products 5x faster, prototype ideas in hours, refactor massive codebases efficiently, experiment rapidly. This changes startup economics. One skilled engineer using AI tools can now do what used to require a small team. That's revolutionary. But notice something important. AI still needs clear prompts, structured thinking, system design knowledge, debugging expertise. Which means coding is not dying. Bad coding is dying. Low-level repetitive coding is dying. But high-level engineering is more valuable than ever. Let's be realistic. AI struggles with large-scale system architecture, deep performance optimization, security-sensitive systems, novel algorithms, understanding messy business constraints. It can generate code that looks correct but fails in production. It can introduce subtle security vulnerabilities. It can hallucinate non-existent APIs. That's why human oversight is critical. AI is a powerful assistant, not an autonomous CTO. At least not yet. Short answer: yes, more than ever. But learn differently. Instead of memorizing syntax, focus on problem solving, system design, algorithms, software architecture, cybersecurity fundamentals, AI integration workflows. Learn how the software works under the hood. Because if you don't understand the fundamentals, you won't know when AI makes mistakes. The developers who survive this shift will be those who think critically, architect systems, leverage AI intelligently. The ones who simply copy and paste code will struggle. So is this the end of coding? No. It's the end of coding as manual labor. We are entering an era where software development becomes more about thinking than typing. AI will write more code. Humans will make more decisions. The real question isn't, will AI replace programmers? It's, will programmers who use AI replace those who don't? This is one of the biggest transformations in tech history, and we are living through it right now. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe for more deep tech breakdowns, and drop a comment below. Do you think AI will fully automate software development? Or is human creativity still irreplaceable? Let's talk.